Meet VIKRAM 3201, India's first made in India space grade 32-bit microprocessor. It was launched at Semicon India 2025 in New Delhi in presence of PM Narendra Modi. This breakthrough chip was developed by ISRO's Semiconductor Laboratory (SCL) and Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. VIKRAM 3201 is a 32-bit processor with floating point support, a general-purpose architecture boasting 152 instructions. It's built on 180 nanometer CMOS process, operates at 100 MHz and runs on a single 3.3 volt supply. It uses less than 500 milliwatt of power and endures harsh temperature ranges from minus 155 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. VIKRAM 3201 is a significant upgrade and a successor to the 1601 variant, which can compute only 16 bits of data, which ISRO had launched in 2009. The Indian semiconductor market size is around $40 billion in 2025 currently, and the CAGR is projected to be around 16% from 2025 to 2033. The market forecast is expected to reach around $64 billion by 2026. This chip symbolizes India's leap from a chip consumer or semiconductor consumer to a semiconductor creator, a cornerstone of the Indian semiconductor mission and Atmanirbhar Bharat's semiconductor revolution. This might not be very significant to the world, but for India, in words of PM Narendra Modi himself,
वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब भारत की सबसे छोटी चीप दुनिया के सबसे बड़े चेंज को ड्राइव करेगी। Of course, our journey began late, but nothing can stop us now. वो दिन दूर नहीं जब पूरी दुनिया कहेगी डिजाइन इन इंडिया, मेड इन इंडिया।